All right, welcome to the pit. Today we're doing a beer bath bacon cheeseburger at the pit.
Yes.
And it's real easy to do.
Yes.
That's right, a beer bath. And we're going to use one of our favorite beers.
Yeah.
Ooh, a little bit of Yuengling Stars and Stripes. We love it, man. It's great stuff. And of course, we got a little bit of SPG.
Yeah.
Anyway, Slasher.
Got a burger me here.
Let's put this together.
Here we are at the pit.
All right.
We're at the pit to forget all of the other stuff.
The dumb stuff. All right, cool.
That's right.
All right, so this is real easy to do.
Yeah.
We've got some
I'm gonna mix this
85-15 ground beef, plenty of fat.
Yeah.
And to that, we're gonna add some chopped onions.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Now the onions are gonna add a little bit of moisture to this beef, right?
Yeah.
So when we're cooking it, we're not gonna dry it out. Now, on goes some SPG. Use your favorite seasoning or rub, whatever you got going on. We obviously like our SPG.
Yes.
All right, cool. All right. Oh man, it smells good already. You don't need to cook this. No way. All right. So now we're going to make a few burgers out of this. And you can decide how big ass burgers you want. It's all up to you. You can see these guys are about softball size. All right. Well done. Now I can hear the sirens going off here, so they know we're cooking. Expect emergency and fire department down here very soon. They know it's lunch. Cool. You can see these are what?
These are probably just a little over quarter pound a piece, maybe.
I would say they're more like half pound.
Half pound, probably.
Easy half pound, might even go bigger.
How much did we start out with?
I have no idea. It was a package.
2.32 pounds.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Yep. So a little over half a pound each. Real easy to do. Now, of course, here comes the train because they know it's lunch at the pit. So the engineer is saying, I'm here. What are you going to do?
Show and everybody shows up.
All right.
There you go.
Very cool. Very cool. All right. Now, you can see we got some bacon going on here. We've got a pound of bacon, and we're slowly smoking it because that's going to be part of this beer bath bacon burger. Cool. All right. All right, so I'm going to throw the patties right in this cast iron pan, and then we'll add the beer. Or you can do it any way you want. You can throw them in there and just add the beer around it. Oh, man.
Need another one, Slasher? You need one more?
Yeah.
We'll just start out with one.
Perfect.
Just want to get it hot first.
Yep. Just simmer it up. There we go. We told you it'd be easy to do.
Okay.
All right. So, what we're going to do is take this and simmer it up on the grill. All right. Or if you have a gas stove or something like that, do it the way you want to do. Oh yeah, you can see the train up there.
Turn the tank on.
I think they're going to stop. All right, so we're going to simmer these first, and we're going to use our gas stove. Simple enough. All right. Get it going. We may or may not add a little more beer to this. All right, so hang on there. All right, we got a nice simmer going on here. Look at that, very gentle in the Yuengling. Oh yeah. So now we're going to flip them. And the idea, of course, is to keep this all together. Look at that. Lord have mercy. There we go. Now, of course, the ground beef is absorbing a lot of this beer in it.
Oh
It
yeah.
has a lot of moisture.
Oh yeah. Real nice.
Perfect. All right.
Go.
All right, let's check on this bacon.
Oh, getting color on them already.
Smelling good. Now, there's no better bacon than this pound bacon. And you put it on your charcoal grill. It's going to pick up smoke, of course. Outrageous flavor.
Oops.
So, that's cool. So the warden here is basically separating these indirect from the fire, so we'll keep the fire under control. Oh man, just a bacon tomato sandwich would work with this, you know. All right, beautiful. The burgers are coming along just fine. Nice. What a smell too.
You want this left
Yep.
this off to the side?
Yeah, it's fine. Yep,
Good.
that's for snacking. All right, that won't take long to do.
When you're gonna add this to it?
Open it.
All
Yeah,
right.
open it up and drop it in.
Now we've got a
The other
little,
way. The other way.
got a little apple wood here.
Yeah.
Put a little chunk in there, add additional smoke to the bacon. Whoa, yeah. All right, here we go.
Here we go.
All right. Pick 'em up. Take a look at that.
Put them on the side.
There you go.
Let's go.
Burgers have been seared in beer. Now, we're going to go direct over the hot charcoal. You got to be careful.
Gonna crust them up.
Put a nice sear on both sides. Can you smell that? It smells good.
Cover back on.
And if you can't, you're on the wrong damn channel. Well, you know all about that goes. All right, cool. All right, how we do?
Let's flip these babies
All right.
over.
Perfect.
Oh,
Get
love
them on
that
the other
color,
side.
man.
Nice color.
Again, a quick sear. You want to get them nice and dark like that. Get some texture out on that. There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Again, a quick sear. You don't want these to blow up on you.
And they're nice and tight. They don't move. Perfect.
All right, just a few more minutes. Perfect.
Let's
All
go,
right.
Slasher.
Let's see how these are going. Oh. Beer, bath, bacon, cheeseburgers coming up.
Oh yeah,
That's
that's perfect,
perfect.
dude. You can put
So-
that one off to the side.
We'll put
We're
them
gonna put these
indirect
back here.
right? We got them cooked the way we
We're
want.
gonna let these sit, and we're gonna let them get a temperature of about 160 degrees.
You got it. Oh my God. We got the
And we're
bacon.
gonna let them just sit,
Put that right on the side.
Beautiful, beautiful.
and then we're
Right
gonna
there, man.
then
Right
we're gonna
there.
throw our buns on.
We got some brioche buns there.
Nice brioche buns.
Oh
Yeah.
baby. Those
Oh,
are some
yeah.
nice buns there.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
All right. It should only take a minute
Yeah.
or less.
Not gonna take long.
Add the cheese.
Now we got some slices of cheddar. Melts very well.
Perfect.
Perfect. All right.
Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, good chop.
All right.
Yeah, throw them right over. Mhm.
Get this service at Mickey D's.
You gotta have teammates.
You're not doing
Got
this.
teamwork here. Got teamwork.
What goes quick?
You don't want your buns to
Oh,
burn.
there we go. No,
Don't burn your buns.
that's what she said. Oh, look at that cheese.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Are you kidding?
Okay.
Perfectly toasted.
Yeah. Here we go.
All right.
Yeah. Ready? Here we go.
Those are all bottoms.
Yeah.
Cool. Now, we're using our brewer's blend of barbecue sauce. This was rated #1 of about 400 entries for the best sauce. This sauce that we have here placed #1 of all the sauces. This is good stuff. And it's a brewer's blend. It's got beer in it, right? You got to check this out. Man. All right. Damn. Look at that. Look at that.
A little warm, huh?
Yeah, I got to get away from the grill. There we go.
You want to put the bacon in?
Cool.
Yeah.
Do that. Now, here's the first place overall, or Pit Boys Brewers Blend Barbecue Sauce. Amazing. In association with Barbecue News Magazine.
That is my call. My doing.
Yeah, that's okay.
And we also were given first place for beef sauce for our Barbecue Pit Boys Apple and Spiced Rum.
Oh, yeah.
All right, now look at this. This is what the good part is right here. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Lord have mercy.
Oh, it's hot.
Look at that sandwich. And of course, we've got the Brewer's Blend right there. Don't beat that. All right. I think it's getting time to eat. All right, let's slice this puppy up. This is why you're still here, right? Take your trusty old hickory. I'm telling you. Look at that. Look at that. It's going to be moist and tender because of the beer simmer. So
Okay.
I think this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you.
That's it.
Save that
So,
for pictures.
all right, let me
I want the other half. Take that one right
What do you mean half? I want a whole one.
I know.
I want two.
I want. That's
Cheapers,
right.
creepers.
You want peppers on yours,
Yeah, yeah.
Mr. Fame?
Yep.
Open up a top.
We got a little roasted bell peppers.
That's it.
Perfect. So now you can set these up any way you want. Oh, look at that. Oh, man, that's perfect.
Perfect. Nice and juicy.
There's yours.
Thank you.
Squeeze it. Comes
Squeeze
down.
my reach.
Yep. So remember, you can do a beer bath too.
Are we apologizing for this?
Yeah.
Are we doing any apologizing now?
I don't apologize for nothing.
So this is the part
That's right.
where the pit masters are eating in front of you, and we're not apologizing. All right, look at this.
Right there, folks.
Look at that. You see how that ground beef really soaks in the beer? So damn tender and moist. Holy moly.
That is
Perfect.
3/4 pound. I'm telling you.
At least.
good. Look at the size of that, folks.
That's it. Perfect. So what do we say now?
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecue.
Pitboys.com.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm gonna chow this down.
Oh,
Thumbs up, man.
great job, Slasher. Great
Perfect.
job.
Great job, chef.